Hey guys, so today we're going to be learning how to do some watercolor flowers that you guys have seen me do before. You're going to need a mixed media watercolor paper or some watercolor paper. Either will work. I'm using mixed media. You're going to need some watercolors, or you can use coffee or tea like I do in some of my other videos. You're going to need some water, a paintbrush. I like a rounded tip. It's a brush. You're going to need some paper towels. Or a rag or something to dry off your brush. And you're going to need, just to make it a clean page, I'm going to make sure and just turn it to the side so that I have all the space that I need for this particular thing. In time, because that's just how that works. And my little spurts of water there, it just makes it easier for getting my paints wet. You do not need this. You can just get your paints wet with your water and your paintbrush. I'm going to make my flower purple, but you can use whatever color you want. You could do it red, you could do it orange, you could do it yellow, you could do it pink. Whatever color you want. I'm doing purple, just because I felt like doing purple today. So I'm going to put some water on the top of my watercolor palette container. This will give me some already wet watercolor to use, so I don't have to constantly re-wet my watercolor itself. And then I'm going to just start on my first petal of the flower, which is a teardrop shape kind of thing. Pointy on one side, rounded on the other. And it's pretty dark. In all honesty. And then you go and you start on your second one. You don't want your petals to touch. You want to have that little bit of white space. Otherwise, they bleed together and they don't look like flower petals at all. And then you see that streakiness that's kind of going on there. I'm going to fix it by putting some more water onto it so that there's no more streakiness there. And that the color just kind of bleeds together. And washes out. That really just makes it a lot smoother. You could do the water after you put the color down. You can do the water before you put the color down. I'm going to show you how to do both for the petals so you can pick which way you like it better. Like I'm going to do the water first on the third petal, as you can see. I didn't wash my brush, so there's still some color on my brush. That's why the water's pink there. And you can see it, and I'm just going to add more color to it to help really bring those colors to life. Yeah, and you just kind of keep doing those teardrop shapes, all in a little star pattern. You want a total of 5, but you really don't want them to touch at all. You want that white space to separate each petal individually. Otherwise, they bleed together. It doesn't look like a flower. It doesn't look nice. It looks kind of crappy. Yeah. Personally, I like the way the water first down, and then to blend my colors in, I like to put a little bit more color towards the center of the flower and then have the color fade as it goes towards the rounded edge, just to kind of give it a bit more depth to it. But you can practice how you want, and your flower does not have to look good the first time. It's taken me a long time to get my flowers to look as nice as they do. The last petal always looks a little bit wonky. But that's okay. Flowers, when they're angled, do not have all of the petals looking absolutely perfectly. So, do not worry about having all of your petals the same shape, the same size, or anything like that. It is a-okay to have them look a little bit funky. Hi. You're just having your flower at an angle. Hi. So, yeah. Hi. And mess around with more water, more color, less color. Hi. As you go along, and put more color to one side of the petal, less color to the other, and play around with your lighting a bit. Hi. It makes a difference in how the flower presents itself. Hi. I am going to show you how to do a leaf as well, but we've got to wash our brush really quick. Hi. That's what the paper towel is there for. You don't want to smash your brush into the paper towel. You want to really just wipe it. Hi. And we're just going to really water down this green because it's pretty dark. Hi. We only need a little bit. Hi. And we're going to make this diamondy shape, this rounded diamond shape for our leaf, but we don't want it to touch any of our petals because our petals are still wet. So we want to leave that little bit of white space there as well. Hi. And then we're going to make a second one. This one's not going to be as specific, but it's going to have the same kind of shape, and we're not going to have it touch the first one. So we're going to have 2 leaves off to the side. Hi. And we're going to darken up that second one a bit too by going back to our color on the color palette and just filling it in to make it have a bit more shadow because it's a bit further down. Hi. And that'll just give us more depth to those leaves. Hi. And give us more dimension to the painting. Hi. Of course, you could probably put some yellow in the center of the flower if you wanted. I'm adding a little bit, another line to one half of the leaf just to add some shadow. And I'm done. Hi. With mine, I think it looks pretty great. Hi. You can play around with this a bit. Play around with colors, with the shading. Hi. But yeah, that's how you make the flower that I do all the time. Hi, on this channel. For yourself. Hope you guys enjoy. Hi. And you can do this with coffee, you can do this with tea, you can do this with anything. Hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Enjoy.